Risa, good morning.
Morning.
Are we going to meet up Jason at the mall tomorrow?
Yeah, see you there at exactly 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, see you there.
Okay, bye. Hello, Oscar.
Yes, hello Risa, good morning.
Good morning. Are you ready?
Oh Risa, I can come with you today because I'm not feeling well.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, not really. I'm suffering from headache right now.
Okay, get well soon.
Okay Risa, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Yes, hello Risa, good morning.
Hello, Oscar. For how many times I've been calling you? You're not answering my call.
I'm sorry for not answering your call because I was driving my car and I'm in a heavy traffic right now.
Really?
Yeah, and I can come with you
Okay.
because my money it's not with me now. It's with my bag. Riza, are you there?
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
I understand.
Thank you, Riza. Okay, bye.
Bye.
I have to go. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hey Oscar,
Yes.
would you like to come and join us for dinner tonight?
Thank you for the invitation. Unfortunately, I have to sleep early tonight because I'm going to attend the President's State of the Nation address tomorrow. Okay? Maybe next time. Hi, Madonna.
Oh, hi, JM. Have a seat.
Thank you. So, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, never better. Hey, I just heard that Corazon movie is still showing. And I was thinking to watch on Saturday. Would you like to come with me?
Really? I'm a big fan of Derek Ramsey. But I'm really quite preoccupied on Saturday. Could I take a rain check?
Oh, sure. How about next Saturday?
Alright then. See you on Saturday.
Okay, I'll just text you.
Okay. I'll wait for a text. Bye.
Wow, non-tennis. That's my favorite sport. At what time and where?
Tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Oh, nice venue.
What's your
Okay, that would be great.